This is lesson 4-7a, writing exponential and power functions. So the two main functions are exponential function and power function. It's important to distinguish between the two. They're very similar. Exponential, y equals ab to the x. The way that I remember that is, x is the exponent. Power function is just the other way around. Y equals ax to the b. Okay, again, x is the exponent is how I remember that. All right, here's an example of each. We're given the ordered pairs 3, 24 and 1, 6, and we want to write an exponential function. So I'm going to use this template here and just plug in these points. In general, if I'm trying to find two things, I need 2 data points, and here we go. So for the y value, I'm going to write, I'll show you I'm using the point 3, 24. So we've got 24 equals ab cubed. And then using the point 1, 6, 6 equals ab to the 1. Common mistake, the first thing that happens here is y, but the first thing here is x. So just try to avoid that mistake. Then what I do is I usually divide the left side and the right side. 24 divided by 6 is just 4. These a's will cancel, and I'll get b to the 3 minus 1, b squared. This comes out to be friendly. B squared is 4, so b is going to be 2. I won't take the negative value, just the positive value. Then I'll take that b value and place it into either of these equations. This one's friendlier, so I'll just put it in there. And I will obtain 6 equals a times 2 to the 1. Just divide each side by 2. So 6 over 2 equals a equals 3. Once you've got the a and the b value, then write the function. So the function is y equals a, 3 times 2 to the x. And that's the answer for the first example. Second example, write a power function through 4, 48 and 2, 12. So I'll use this template here. So again, using 4, 48, the y value, 48 equals a, x value, 4 to the b. Using 2, 12, the y value, 12 equals a times the x value, 2 to the b. Again, I'll divide the left side, I'll divide the right side. I made these problems friendly, so we don't need a calculator. 48 divided by 12 is 4. A's cancel, so I'm going to get 4b over 2b, which is the same as 4 over 2 to the b, which is 2 to the b. So 2 to what power is 4? Well, 2 squared. So I know that b is 2. Then I'll take that b value and put it in whichever equation I deem friendlier. So I'll have 12 equals a times 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. Divide each side by 4. So 12 over 4 equals a. So a is 3. So now I've got the a value and the b value, and I'll just write the function. I'll write it up here so you can see it. So it's going to be y equals the a value, x raised to the b value. And there you have it, how to write an exponential and a power function given 2 data points.